This is a show that has been here in the city of Calgary for more than 50 years. It's really Canada's national energy event. Attracts close to 30,000 people here, all to talk about energy. Big speakers here from Canada, from the United States, from around the world. And look, we can't do that without exhibitors like yourself. You play an important part in the fabric of Canada's energy sector, so I wish that you get lots of deals out of the show and that we have an opportunity to work together for many years to come.